Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Did you know that you can be rich in two ways? Number one, you can be rich in your bank account. Number two, you can be rich in spirit. You are rich in spirit when you make a difference in the lives of others. This kind of richness lasts forever and nobody can take it away from you. We all have the potential to experience richness in spirit when we give ourselves to the world and make a difference. So if you are already rich in your bank account, just think what you can do to become rich in spirit. I hope you liked the idea. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and take care. Bye-bye.